You never really leave a place you love. Part of it you take with you, leaving a part of yourself behind. As by the time you wake up, I think it's about 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm getting on the road. I ate breakfast. I'm a morning person. I'm a little out of, what do you call it? I got too much stuff. I'm gonna have to get rid of some stuff. Nomad life. Gotta get back adjusted. Anyway, here's the map. This is the direction I'm going. Hopefully we'll make it there. It's about 5 hours. All right, guys, we're on the road. I'll try to splice in the Instagram post because, you know, you got to do vertical and horizontal. I don't have a mic. So some of these things I want to get eventually. Hopefully, if you guys donate. Anyway, so we're heading up the road. Want to start trying to document this. Already got a full tank of gas. It's about 6:30, 7 o'clock. And yeah, I'll get back to you soon, okay? Y'all can't see this, but it's they're doing fighter pilot stuff. Guys, we made it to New Orleans. Pretty good drive. Actually, it's pretty quick. So just gonna walk down to the French Quarter because I'm hungry. It's the reason why I came here. All right, get back to you in a minute. It's already live in this joint, like it's crazy. New Orleans at its finest. Hey guys, Bourbon Street does not sleep. You hear me? This is the latest I've been up in a while, a long while. Jesus, that's when you know you're old. You're old now. You're old. Just got gold. You get in the curl up in the covers or something. All right, New Orleans. Thank you for the po' boys and Dewey sausage. Tomorrow morning we go to DeMont's and get us what are those things called? Beignets. Yeah, beignets. Well, guys, New Orleans did not disappoint, so see you in the morning. As you can see, it cleaned out enough space here.